She just wanna kick her feet up, get a mani petty at the same time, yeah. Rock a rover slippers every day of the week, vacation every day, repeat. She just wanna stop fly, yeah. She just wanna stop fly, yeah, yeah.
God. Exhausted. You shit. You the motherfucking shit. Okay? Alright. Oh, the heat is coming from down here because I got the dishwasher on. I'm so confused. Where's my man when I need him? Like, one of these. I don't think I want to wear it back. Lip gloss. Specifica Wake Up Beautiful lip gloss. I think I got it from Target. They also get, it's a nice simple lip gloss. Like, not fucking with the bees over here. I have to clean my car. Like, the amount of bottles that I have in here is insane. It's really bad. Like, I have this one. I got like 2 on the side here. They're full. I don't know what I'm doing with this car. Then I have like another one here. I don't know. I'm thirsty. All that running from a bee? Choking. Okay. I underestimated the heat here. Why did I decide to wear black? I don't know why, but it is very hot. So put my stuff to my shirt. It's hot in here. I need to open up a window. I wish I brought my other phone, but I have no idea where it's at. So now I have to solo dolo and drive with radio music. We're gonna go down to the beach. The beach? Oh, I wish I had a beach. I really just wanted to be outside. We're driving like 10 miles an hour. It's a 45 limit. Yo, these cars, these trucks that are out here now that have like 2 wheels on each axle is crazy. They drive like they ain't got no life, and then they tailgate like crazy. What the fuck? It's so hot in my car. My car's black. My seats are black. Why did I do this to myself? But I know when I sit outside, I'm gonna feel like I'm dying.
Giving over today's hit music. I just realized today is May 4th. May the 4th be with you. You gotta feel it.
What kind of corny shit was that? I love taking like random drives to different places. I'm not gonna lie. I'm supposed to be doing a 35, I'm doing 45. 10 over the limit. I like sweated so much. It's crazy. There's a nice bench right over there that I want. And oh, are they taking that? I am not the social butterfly. I'm gonna share spots. There's not too many spots here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just pick a random bench and just chill at that bench. Nature just heals. I just love randomly coming out to nature and just like taking in the atmosphere. It just feels so peaceful. So good out here. It's kind of cold out here, and you know, I was hoping freaking page in my book, and all these little baby caterpillars keep trying to freaking make love to me. My bookmark. Oh my god, this is not turning out the way I want it to be. Just crawling on my stuff. I could just like roll around on this hill, but I'm not gonna do that because, you know, poop and pee. I really didn't do much. I barely read. Like, I feel like I read like 2 sentences, if not 3. I don't even know where I left that part. But I'm not counting this as a fail because honestly, like, I got to sit down in nature. Like, it's been a while since I did that, and I did it for like 10 minutes.
Oh my god!
A little bit at a time is where you need to start. I just watched some footage back. Why didn't y'all tell me my hair looked like that? I have it in a loose bun. Like, I don't wear my hair like tight, or I don't like wearing it tight, but like, it's so puffy back here. I don't care. I'm not here for the backside. I'm here for the front. I just watched one of my clips back about the kid literally screaming in the background, like, kid! And he was excited though. Charlie! I'd be excited too for Charlie. I just realized that I didn't bring a charger, so my phone's gonna die. So I'm gonna actually just end the vlog here. It really wasn't anything, but I'm again practicing small vlogs, getting out more. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys. I'm so glad and so thankful to be able to hit 100 subscribers. See you for another video. See you for another video. Bye.
Every day repeat, she just wanna stop fly. Yeah, she just wanna stop fly. Yeah, yeah, yeah.